एबीपी wounded होगा ना,
getting justice
एबीपी
for
wounded
victims
होगा, कौन दिया मुक्त है?
who have been raped, murdered, tortured. It is sometimes our party, Mahila Karyakarta, sometimes the general women, whether they are the college students or the or a common woman who has continuously suffering at the hands of Mamta's government. See, even today, you know that in the last few days, how the people of Bengal are getting agitated over the issue of a rape and murder of a young doctor. And how the present state government is dealing with it. Thanks to judiciary, they have given this investigation to CBI. And here I would like to say a few things. Crimes are happening. It's all happening all over the country. Every day it is happening somewhere else. But how the responsible government is dealing with that crime is a matter. It is not the first time that this kind of a crime is happening in Kolkata. So every day we could see that in some parts of West Bengal, completely the safety of the women is being compromised by the present state government. And this case also, why the people spontaneously they are coming out in the street and they are fighting and they are agitating. Even during the midnight, thousands of women they are coming out in the street and they are asking and they are demanding justice for the women doctor. It is not about a single incident. Hundreds of these incidents are happening in Bengal. Sometimes the chief minister is saying it is politically motivated. Or sometimes she is saying that it is being planted by the political parties, and she is raising the doubts about the genuinity of the cases sometimes. But this case, it's an example that how the present administration is completely, it's failed, its people, and it's completely breakdown of the administration of the state government. And the state government is immediately giving some other responsibility for the college principal, who is saying that the victim is responsible for the incident. And immediately the occurrence of the place where the crime has been committed, when they immediately they started doing some work, it shows that how the state government is dealing with such a sensitive rape and murder cases, and we are raising a serious doubt under the present chief minister. Even though the investigation has been handed over to CBI, CBI has to ultimately rely upon the documents and evidence of the local police. It is known everywhere, and that is being so. We are thinking and we are raising a serious doubt. The police department under Mamta Banerjee would not completely cooperate with the CBI, and already Bharatiya Janata Party West Bengal unit is asking for a resignation of Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. We, Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Morcha, is also demanding that we are endorsing that. And today evening, to express our solidarity with the people of West Bengal, particularly with the women of West Bengal, we are conducting a silent candle march all over the country in 1,000 places. And we want to tell the people that how a women chief minister is compromising the safety of the women, and how she is enacting a drama by organizing a rally as if that she don't have any responsibility in the administration. She is trying to fool the people of West Bengal. If she admits that her department is responsible for the incident, responsible for the investigation. She has to resign, accepting the moral responsibility as the minister who is handling the police department. And on the other hand, she is saying that CBI has to find out the culprit and punish, and for which she is conducting a rally. And on the other hand, she is trying to pacify the agitators, and she is trying to manage the situation by fooling the people by enacting a drama of participating in the rally.
What is your plan today?
Sir, today our Mahila Morcha under the leadership of our State President Falguni Patraji along with our women leaders, Mahila Morcha Karyakartas are going to take out a silent candlelight march in the evening. So the place already they have informed to you. So I am also participating along with my senior office bearers. She is a Vice President Darshana Singh. She is a Member of Parliament from Uttar Pradesh. Our National Vice President and National Secretary Sangeeta Yadav. She is also a Member of Parliament from Uttar Pradesh. And our Mahila Morcha State President Uttar Pradesh, Mrs. Geeta Satya, she is also a Member of Parliament. They are all joining with us along with our Mahila Morcha West Bengal State Leadership. Namaskar. Thank you.
Catch him.
राखी भी
फोटो निकालने से फिर लेने जगह बाइक ले जाना तो
अच्छा